today we're in Unity in Brean Sands. Somerset? Somerset. So we've got a caravan, we're just waiting on the keys.
Delivery.
The delivery, yeah. I think this might be ours. Emmie does think that's our caravan. So they've got Brent House Farm, a machine. Apparently the milkshake here is really nice. Here's the prices. And put your choice in and then pay by card. We'll have to have a go of that before we go home. And go.
I've got a bit of a chicken nugget in my hand.
That's okay.
No.
You can still do something to camera with a piece of chicken nugget in your hand.
Emmie's.
So Alicia was just saying, in the background there is Brean Amusement Park.
Brean theme park.
Brean Theme Park.
And it's the UK's largest free admission theme park. Although for like about a year they had it paid admission, I don't think anyone actually went.
Oh. And obviously it's free admission, but you have to pay.
Yeah, it's either wristbands, which depend on the season, how expensive they are, or you can pay per ride.
You're so good at
And
this.
they do a little car boot inside there on weekends that has like little stalls.
I remember that on a Sunday. Yeah, Saturday and Sunday, or just Sunday?
No.
I remember that. There was a huge car boot sale on the way down as well. We like our car boot sales, although I haven't been to one for the longest time. I think last time I went to a car boot sale, oh my gosh, it was probably like
last week.
Did you?
Yeah.
Last time I went was probably 5 years ago.
Yeah, what's nice about it is you've got all like fenced in gardens on the caravan, which is like one of the things we love, because obviously if you've got kids they don't run off.
Yeah, so this time have you hired a caravan through Unity or privately?
Unity. So
But
Unity is currently under new ownership. So to celebrate new ownership they were doing deals and we got a last minute deal. So our caravan should have cost £500 for the week, but only cost us £99 for a 3-bed silver caravan.
Wow, that's amazing. Even I didn't know that. That's brilliant.
Well, otherwise I'd be charging you hundreds of pounds.
No, I thought you would have paid at least 500 for me to join you.
We don't like you that much.
So Alicia has kindly invited me down. Unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you want to look at it, I'm off to London to do some vlogging on Thursday and to go to a Andre Rieu concert. So I'll be vlogging our hotel there. Today's a Monday, so you've hired it from Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
And I can only come down Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, so you're down with Dan, because Dan's off work today because of the bank holiday. And then tomorrow I think they're both going to work from the caravan.
Yes.
And then Dan's going to hang around for the night, do stuff in the night and then head back.
Yeah, so I'm working from a caravan tomorrow, but Dan said if the internet isn't that good, we may have to find a cyber cafe to work from, or go home.
McDonald's or something.
Yeah, or go home earlier, but I'm sure we'll find
so
something.
just down that way you've got Newman's, the Newman's office, which we've been to before.
That's the one we went in, me and you, to book.
Yeah.
Because we're coming back down in September for Western Festival. So we booked through Newman's last time we came here, didn't we?
So that's the private owners of Unity. That's kind of how you book with the privately owned caravans, not the Unity caravans.
Right.
I believe.
Right.
But you've got everything. You've got dog walking, fishing pond. You've got everything.
And I think, well, I'm sure we've got you've got a caravan and I've got a caravan in.
We got 2 4-beds, I think.
Yeah. And I booked one with Newman. I think they only had one.
Yeah, the only thing we found was they didn't have many disability caravans, did they?
Yeah,
so
I was
you're
just
booking
gonna-
with them.
Yeah. I was just gonna say, I think they just had the one disability caravan, which had access via a ramp up to the caravan.
Yeah, a lot of them are
for
steps.
wheelchair use. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big park. We've never been to the park.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Oh, and it's got a skateboard area as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fabulous. So you were saying about the passes as well. We get 2 passes.
No, we get passes included for everyone, and we get both the big like water park pool place, which is really cool. It's got like an indoor and an outside pool and slides and everything. We get that included for free, and we get the soft play included for free, which we never did before, but under the new owners they've now said, because you used to get 20% discount I think if you stayed on site.
Oh right,
But
right.
now you get them completely free included in.
Oh, fantastic. And you said the soft play alone used to cost
Yeah, about
quite a lot.
£10 for like one adult and one child to like go in.
Oh, brilliant.
So we did go in on a weekend, so obviously that would probably cost more.
So at the moment, the new owners seem to be doing...
Yeah, but they got big plans for the place. It'll be interesting to see how it goes. They got lots of stuff planned. I can see Nanny.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can show you the skate park area a bit better now because there's nobody on it.
They were quite comparable, Kristen.
Whee! It's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, watch Daddy. Daddy, you coming down now?
You see me up here?
Can you see Dad up there?
Daddy, you come down in the slide. Woo! It's too fun.
It is
I
lots of fun. You want to go again? Oh, I love her.
Oh no, my auntie back! I got it!
You okay?
Yeah, I thought I lost my auntie back for a second.
Oh.
It's because it's empty.
Oh, look at that. Do you think there's a big cow in there?
Yeah, it's coming straight from the cow, that is.
Is it? That's today's entertainment.
Perfect look.
Hey!
Brilliant. Oh, look at that.
And then we put the lid back on. And then we have some in a little bit, okay?
Well done for making that, Emmie.
Good girl.
Is that a cow?
Oh, it's clean now.
It's okay. Let's see what Dan thinks of it. Ooh,
Oh, that's lovely.
From this one.
Emmie, do you want some?
is that nice?
And you want to try some?
Yeah.
Come
So
here.
you had to buy the bottle separately. The bottle was $2.50, we think, and the milk was $2.60. What do you think, Emmie?
It's nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, thumbs up from Emmie. She loves climbing.
Like me when I was her age. My fingers are staying slightly banana now.
And climbing.
You like climbing?
Here's some.
Yeah.
I'll try some.
Emmie on the telly.
You see Emmie on the telly there? This is Amelia Harris. Do you want to talk to them? And then Grandma put you on the telly.
Yeah.
This is Dad.
It's really bright.
What are you going to say to people on the camera? Thank you. Thank you. What are you going to say to them? Hi. Hi from Unity.
Hey.
How old are you? Do you know how old you are?
It's going to take us months to go to start saying 3 when she turns.
You too. What's your name?
Months to go to start saying 3 when she turns.
Don't want
She's
to
so
see
used to saying
that.
2.
Ah! Oh no. It's all. Ah!
No, I mean, careful.
That's too close.
That's not how it works, Emmie.
There she's gone. There she is. It doesn't work like that. Yeah, that's record.
How do you flip it?
You press that 3 times.
Oh, 3.
What's that?
Well, same thing. Both kill you.
Oh, where's it gone? There it is. Oh, where's it gone?
Where's it gone?
Don't. Yeah, like now. That's in, half out, and then you take it out.
Ah. Oh, nice and quiet in here, isn't it? Sweet machines. Lots of grabbing machines. Did you win anything, Emmie? Wow. I love it, Dan. That's great. I wonder what that area there is for. I see you. We're in Caravan 1003 and that orange car is Alicia's, and you've just come from the way in is that way. In front is the clubhouse that we just went to, and if you come in and take a right, we're down here somewhere, we think. To have a look at that caravan and to see more of our shenanigans, please watch the next video on tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.